Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the case study about electric scooter. So our first topic was what top 10 features we will include in scooter app. So these are the top 10 features. First is battery health and charge estimate. Basically it will display the current battery level and estimated range left and overall battery condition. Second is real-time GPS tracking. This will show the current location of the scooter and help with route planning or theft tracking. Third is nearby charging stations. It will help users to find and navigate to the closest compatible charging point. Smart notifications. This will notify user about how battery and scheduled services, low battery scheduled services, ride summary, and app updates. Fifth is document storage. This will allow users to upload license, insurance, registration, and access them easily. Sixth is ride history and statistics. This will track daily, weekly ride logs, distance, speed, and energy consumption. Seven is alert and lock system. Um, Basically, this will trigger an alert if unauthorized access is detected. Um, then there is app UI theme customization. This is light and dark mode, which will emphasize more on the aesthetics on the app. The ninth is scooter health diagnosis. In this, it will monitor and show performance of motor, brakes, battery, etc. to detect issues early. Tenth is over-the-air updates. This will allow firmware and software updates to be pushed directly from the app. Then we have top 5 most useful features. First amongst them is battery health and charge estimate. This is useful because this will directly address the user complaint about sudden battery drop-offs and charging issues. Keeping their transparent improves trust and planning. Second is smart notifications. This is important because timely alerts like service due or battery low fix a major current problem of outdated info and keep the ride better informed. Third is real-time GPS tracking. Now this is important because for multiple safety reasons, anti-theft measures and navigation. It also enhances user engagement through map-based features. Fourth is scooter health diagnostic. Again, this is important because this helps identify technical problems early and reduces complaints about performance or unexpected breakdowns. Fifth is document storage. This is also an important feature because it is a useful value add that makes the app more than just a controller. Users can keep essential documents handy all times. Then we have another. Then we have the Here we have a mind map showing all the 10 features which we are trying to include. Then let's move on to our another question, which is design considerations for storage feature plus security measures. The design considerations are file format support. This will allow users to upload commonly used formats like PDF, JPG, PNG, and docx for documents such as license, insurance, registration, etc. Second is user interface. Simple and intuitive UI with options to upload, preview, rename, and delete documents. Clear file type and size restrictions should be shown. Third is storage quota per user. Set a storage limit to control server costs and manage data usage efficiently. Fourth is offline access and sync. This will allow limited offline access to recently opened documents. Auto-sync when internet is available to ensure access and backup. Then we have a security measure. First is data encryption, AES 256. All stored files should be encrypted at rest and in transit using AES 256 to protect user documents from unauthorized access. Second is secure authentication. Um Use industry standard authentication to ensure secure login and access to documents only by verified users. Third is backend validation. Validate files on upload to potentially harmful or executable files, etc. Ensure only supported file types are stored. Fourth is role-based access control. Only the account owner can access, upload, or delete documents. Admins or support staff should not have access to personal files. Fifth is cloud capabilities. Use cloud storage services that comply with data privacy regulations, and ensure regional storage rules are followed if data laws vary.
Question is root cause analysis plus test cases. The issue number one is charging stops suddenly. The root causes are power battery calibration. The battery may not be properly calibrated, causing inaccurate readings of the remaining charge. To fix this, we can implement a battery calibration algorithm that accurately tracks the charge state over time and across different usage conditions. Degraded cells. The battery cells may have aged or deteriorated, leading to a sudden loss of charge even when the app shows that there is still power. To fix this, we can replace or upgrade the battery to more durable cells or implement an alert for users when battery health deteriorates. The test scenarios are first one is run battery to slow charge to verify warnings. We can simulate a scenario where the battery is drained to a low level, verify that the app triggers a warning when the battery is near depletion, helping the user to recharge in time. Test execution is discharge the battery under controlled conditions and monitor if the app sends a notification when battery charge drops to a critical threshold. The second one is test battery across multiple charge discharge cycles. To run test with the battery through several charge and discharge cycles to observe if the issue persists, especially in cases of degraded cells. The test execution is fully discharge the battery and recharge it multiple times, track the accuracy of battery percentage reading, and if the sudden drain happens consistently after few cycles. The complaint number second is app notification delays. Delayed. Root causes are backend sync lag. The backend server may not be syncing data efficiently with the app, leading to delays in recovering real-time notifications. To fix this, we can improve server performance and optimize API calls to reduce the time it takes for the backend to send update to the app. The second one is poor app refresh logic. The app might not be refreshing data frequently enough or might have insufficient logic for pulling updates from the server. To fix this, we can enhance the app refresh mechanism, perhaps using more efficient push notifications or interval-based refresh strategies. The test scenario is first one is simulate backend changes, check real-time app update, introduce changes on backend, example, a new notification or update, and check how long it takes for app to reflect those changes. Test execution can be modify backend data and verify the app receives the update in a timely manner, aiming for a minimal delay. Second one is push fake notifications, message delivery time. Simulate the sending of notification to the app and measure the time taken for the notification to appear on the user's device. Test execution manually trigger test notifications and measure the delay in receiving the notification. Compare the response time to the expected real-time performance. The question score is market release plan inside out and outside in development. Inside out planning, internal focus, preparing the product. First, finalize app features, confirm all core and new features are stable, aligned with customer needs, and ready for deployment. Second, internal UAT, user acceptance testing. Test the app internally with employees to identify usability issues and bugs before releases. Third is load testing. Simulate Simulate high user activity and test under different network conditions to ensure performance and reliability. Fourth one is App Store compliance check. Ensure the app meets all Play Store and App Store submission guidelines, including privacy and content policies. Fifth is customer care training. Train support uh, Train support teams on the new features so they can guide users effectively post launch. Outside in planning, focus ensuring adoption. First one is survey adopters. Collect insights from loyal customers or test groups to validate features to and identify any missing gaps. Influencer and YouTuber campaigns collaborate with tech influencer to demo the app and scooter features, increasing visibility and trust. Third one is beta release. Supply the app to test group of loyal users. Fourth one is launch content. Work on demo videos and written content to prepare your audience and excite them. Fifth one is feedback polish. Make any adjustment needed based on user feedback prior to the full launch.
Now we will come to question number 7. Intelligent recommendations via machine learning. So machine learning uses the data from the vehicle. The data includes the battery usage patterns, which is tracked how quickly the battery drains based on ride time, speed, and terrain. The route and terrain data, which includes capture elevation, road conditions, and regular travel routes. The driving behavior or patterns, including acceleration and braking habits and average speed to personalized suggestions, and temperature and environmental conditions. The ML-driven smart suggestion or AI-based recommendations include the charging station alerts based on current route and battery level, recommend the most efficient nearby charging points. The drive slow recommendations or efficiency warnings. If driving style is draining battery fast, suggesting slowly driving or switching to eco mode. The proactive service center reminders include the vehicle health data to suggest service before issue arises, and eco driving tips. The overall machine learning adds value to the user experience based on what the user will do in their usage pattern with the objective to drive safer, smarter, and efficiently. So question 8 is vehicle design mind map. Okay. So the main goal of this mind map is to boost sales by 50% in 6 months and shift from loss to 10% profit per unit. So core features of this is lightweight frame, which competes with rivals on performance and handling, fast charging under 4 hours to solve user pain point, uh, tablet dashboard, including modern touch-enabled color displays, Google Maps integration for built-in navigation on screen. The user experience enhancement includes improved suspensions, responsive throttle, and reduced weight for to make the vehicle easier to handle with less weight. The user interface improvements are likely are designed mobile app, which has clean layout, real-time updates, voice prompts and alerts for hands-free interaction for safety, and document access via tablet to view license or insurance on the go. This is the mind map for question number 8, including goals, features, UI changes, and UX changes. Goals includes improve ride comfort, enhance battery performance, increase sales, and achieve profitability. In features, it includes tablet dashboards, Google Maps integration, document storage, faster charging, and reduced weight. And in UI changes, improved app design and streamlined UI for user experience, more intuitive, we're making more intuitive and enhanced app notifications.
So now let's talk about how we'll measure success both from business standpoint and operational one. First, our business metrics. We are aiming for strong sales volume, tracking monthly units sold with a bold goal of achieving 50% growth in just the first 6 months after launch. Next, we are shifting our focus profitably. While we are currently operating at 10% loss per unit. We are targeting a complete turnaround to a 10% profit margin for scooter sports. But success just keep about new customers. It's about keeping them. Our customer retention rate will measure how many users stick to us, upgrade, and remaining part of our ecosystem. And in today's connected world, app engagement is key. We'll closely monitor how often user log in and use feature because that reflects just satisfaction, but deep the digital adoption. So now let's shift to operational performance, where the rubber meets the road. We are working to cut down charging time to under 4 hours, a move that gives us a clear edge competitive. We are also setting the bar high for quality. A target zero key customer complaints in first 3 months post launch. A strong indicator of our product reliability. Our app must be seamless too. That's why we are keeping an eye on the app crash or failure rates. Fewer bugs mean a smoother, more trusted user experience. Finally, we'll track service resolution time, how quickly we respond to customer support tickets. Because in the end, great post-sale support building long-lasting relationship. Together, these metrics will guide us, challenge us, and push us to deliver nothing but a sort of excellence.
So now let's walk through the vision of our tablet dashboard, designed to be sleek, smart, and user-friendly. First, the layout. At the heart of the screen sits the speedometer, large, clear, and dynamic. Whether we go with the digital or analog look, it's built for versatility. And it's not just numbers, it's interactive. The color shifts with the speed. Green for cruising, yellow for picking space, and red when you are pushing limits. Right beside it, or nearly integrated, we place the battery status with a familiar icon and percentage readout. The color coding tells you exactly how far you can go. Green when it's full, yellow midway, and red when it's time to change. To the side, a mini Google Map widget keeps you grounded, showing your location, route, and destination. It's interactive, so you can zoom or tap to get more info on the go. There is also a document button, smartly placed for quick access to what matters. The scooter manual, service history, insurance detail is just a tap away. Service alert, keep the rider informed, whether it's routine maintenance or a warning. A prominent icon or banner ensures nothing critical gets missed. Now let's talk about touch interaction, where simplicity meets functionality. Need to navigate. Just tap. Touch buttons like home, right side, docs, and settings take you exactly where you need to go. Each one leads to a dedicated screen. No clutter, just focus. Want to check your history? Swipe. A swipe gesture scrolls through your ride data, trip, distances, average speed at all your fingertips without leaving the main view. And for advanced control, long press. Hold down the setting icon to unlock deeper features for alert customization to connect your scooter with your smartphone. Finally, the default screen layout. It's clean, purposeful. The speedometer, battery status, and map widgets sit front and center, delivering the essential right when you need them, without distraction. In short, the dashboard isn't about display, it's about delivering a smarter, safer, and more connected. Now let's talk about the conclusion. By incorporating a smartphone app redesigned, the electric scooter will strive to resolve customer problems, improve the experience, optimize business outcomes. We focus on achieving better customer satisfaction with the scooter features of fast charging, a lighter frame, a more intuitive app, and AI-based smart function. We also strive to achieve improve optional efficiency, good profits, and sales volume, enhance customer experience. Strategic planning, practical feedback from the user, a solid emphasis on product engineering leads us to believe that the integration will strengthen our foothold in the market and ensure sustained returns for the company. Thank you very much.